should have parked closer.
Yeah.
It's a
tow test day.
yeah.
We've recently seen all these videos about people towing with these new Lightnings, and they seem to kind of suck. They don't get very many miles out of them. But and then it's kind of, we got this truck a couple of years ago and we let it sit in the weeds because it is a useless truck.
Yeah.
But we put a hitch on it yesterday, so now it shouldn't be as useless.
We're inspired by Hoovie's Garage to make this video. So in style of Hoovie's Garage, we have the Ford Lightning. We have a trailer. We don't have an aluminum trailer because
We don't have the following for
we
that.
don't have the following. But we'll get our Model A, put it on there, and
Our payload.
yeah, our payload.
You get our payload.
So off to the next stop to grab it.
Yeah. Think you'll still do a burnout with a trailer?
I think we're good.
You know, one thing I noticed that no one else did in their Lightnings,
What?
turn on the heater. You know, like I'm cold, I'm gonna turn on the heater.
That's true.
No one else was turning on their heaters. Or
This is
later when it gets hot, I'm gonna turn on the air conditioner.
so we purchased the Ford Lightning just to have it.
Yeah, there's just always wanted one. And
Way before the YouTube channel.
if we ever, yeah, way before the YouTube channel, was this if we ever needed overnight parts from Japan.
How long have we had the Model A for?
4 or 5 years, I think. 4 years?
Yeah, about 4 years, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, 'cause we had this car lot, 'cause we fixed it at the back fence.
Oh yeah, that's where all the old timers were like, ah!
Yeah, I got mad at me for my handbrake started it.
Like, sorry we weren't born before the Depression.
Yeah. And the tooth was chipped on that bracket for that, so I had to like push on it. It's weird anyway.
The truck has a full tank, minus 10 miles that we've driven from the Pilot. Model A has 1 gallon.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter for this at all.
And idled for a few minutes.
Well, now this whole thing, we're never gonna
Okay, we are going on the main road.
Alright, now say the line that everyone always wants to hear. Doesn't feel like I'm towing anything.
Yeah.
Oh, she shifted, yeah.
I mean, I don't notice it at the moment. I don't care what anyone says. That noise is the best noise in the world.
Yeah, I don't know why we're on such a like anti-cabin noise. Like,
Yeah.
do we all just want to sit in a white room for the rest of our lives?
Yeah.
Do you remember the first thing you ever towed in? This is a really long time ago.
I know. My first thing I used to tow religiously with was a 99 GMC Jimmy. I would tow all sorts of cars with it.
My first one was a mid-80s Toyota truck I used to do with a boat and like a motorcycle trailer. I don't think these trucks are uncomfortable. The seats are nice.
No, I think if you're like a big fat man, these seats probably suck.
Really nice though.
Yeah, looks cooler than the new Lightning seats. Which probably wouldn't last 20 years. Like this has zero wear pretty much. And it's got almost 200,000 miles on it.
And this is only where we're kind of going with the video, is that it's 20 years old, it's still doing its job.
Yeah, in style.
There's not a deserve to just trash old trucks and gasoline trucks like they were inferior. They're not inferior. They're
superior.
They're superior right now. Still.
Gas and then diesel even better. We have our next interchange coming up. What's head's gonna be, Sheldon or Ocean?
Oh no! Drop the cord. Tails.
Go Ocean. Right, go to Ocean.
Well, maybe we might not make it.
We're not driving her gently.
Uphill.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a big hill.
Are you sure this is a hill?
I'm going 71 miles an hour.
Oh, Washington, we're full of hills, man.
Yeah.
That's one thing too. Like we
went. This is the hill way. If we would have went south, that's a lot more. There's hills, but it's more flat.
There's a floodplain south of us, actually,
Yeah.
where we live. That's where we get all of our good deals.
But yeah, this is a big hill. The whole way is going to be hills, which is good because I don't want to be in this truck all freaking day.
Thanks to the coin, we are going the hill way.
Yeah, this is the hill and the slower. It's 70 going south, which we go, usually 80. And this way it's 50 to 60. I got the headlights on and everything. So yeah, they probably didn't have anything on other than brake lights and blinkers. Just imagine that at nighttime, it's raining, you got your heater on, your windshield wipers on.
When do you start sacrificing? I mean, I know we started sacrificing because we live in old terrible cars, but that's a brand new truck that you're making that
Shouldn't be
decision.
making sacrifices. We're making sacrifices because we drive shit boxes.
That's true. I make sacrifices because my car is $500, not $50,000.
Yeah.
The one surprise we did find out right before doing this video, we did Google the fuel capacity of the Lightning.
Yeah. Is it 24 gallons or something?
24 gallons. So put that in retrospect. The Dodge long bed diesel truck we usually use for some towing has I think 32 gallon. Don't quote us on this. And then on normal size, like $1,500 Chevy trucks and that, they have about 18 gallon.
Yeah, I feel like that's what Big Blues was 18.
Yeah. Now we know driving might be a little boring, so here's a burnout for you to laugh.
Another big ass hill.
Hill after hill after hill.
Especially if we go into like Ocean Shores. It's hill, windy roads, hills. The corner took us to the worst path.
Yeah, that's usually what a quarter of luck does. Washington, yeah, 30 miles is 30 miles, but man, there's a lot of hills sometimes, and you don't know it.
Yeah.
I always thought.
And we knew because we drove across the country those 2 times. We're in certain areas and we're like, there's no hills anywhere.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Man, it's wavy out there. We ran out of state.
Yeah, towing so much that you hit ocean.
We ran out of road.
When I got there, I figured since I gone this far, might as well turn around, just keep on going.
Should we get lunch casino or somewhere in town? Got our hot dogs, get on the road.
Questionable hot dogs.
Very questionable.
This just went from a video about being a tow test to a video, can we make it home?
Dun, dun, dun. We've gone 113 miles.
113?
Half tank.
Half tank. So if we should reach our goal.
Yeah, we should. Yeah. I mean, we've done pretty good. I think I have been driving this like an asshole. AC has been on too.
AC's been on.
Headlights, AC, the whole shebang. I've rolled my window down like 10 times.
Back up 9, and we can't get it back up now. Just kidding.
Yeah, it's electric switches, bitch. That's cool.
Oh hell yeah!
That gets horrible gas mileage.
Probably worse than this thing.
Yeah. And I want to hear that supercharger. Yeah.
It sound right, boys.
How many miles?
166 miles we just went. 3/4 of a tank of gas. We still have a quarter tank left. We were.
Driving habits?
I was driving like an asshole, like usual.
Average speed?
On the highways and stuff, we were going 70 the whole time, give or take.
The terrain, was it flat?
There's a lot of hills, and I was going up them quickly with the supercharger going the whole time.
We drove how we would drive every day.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to savor the gas or anything. We had AC on 90% of the time. Honestly, couldn't really tell it was back there other than when we were going through those heavy turns. I should have probably slowed down a little bit.
Ford built a novelty truck.
And it works.
And it worked. Realized we forgot something on our little video trail test, and that was
Kind of the most important thing was we'll do a burnout with a trailer and a car on it.
so.
Payload.
We're gonna end the video with this.